Alright, this is the parking elevator. Macy's, Center City, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. This was a Dover traditional. And this was modded by Kone recently, unfortunately. Recently ruined by Kone. This is a retake from March. Iced tea from Dunkin' Donuts. This was the original Wanamaker's, HECHT'S, Lord & Taylor, although it operated as strawbridges very briefly. Here, P3.
Going up.
Let's go to P1. G opens right near right into the store near a department. Go back down to P3.
Going up.
Oh, you guys going up?
Yeah.
Which floor?
Main.
G or L?
Yeah. G, fine.
Oh, sorry, I just...
You're fine. No, we're all...
Parking level P1 going up.
No, we're not getting off.
Ground level Macy's
Alright.
going down.
Thank you.
Have a nice day. And have a happy holidays. Oh, sorry. You going, what floor?
P1, please.
P1?
Yeah, thank you.
Parking level
Have a good day.
P1
And happy
down.
holidays.
Same to you, thank you.
There we go. Hopefully no one will be down there. But... we'll end up at G.
Parking level P3 going up.
Cap view. W for Wanamakers.
Going up.
Oh, you going up?
Yeah.
What floor?
G, Macy's.
Okay.
You guys good? Thank you. Were they speaking for everybody?
Oh, sorry.
We all going to G?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ground level Macy's going down.
Happy holidays and have a nice day. Back to P1. And after that, G. P3 and G.
Parking level P1 going down.
Just in case.
Parking level P3 going up.
Hopefully no one will be on the other two parking levels for once. finally.
Ground level, Macy's
And
going
that's
up.
it.